Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We are very thankful for what is our
Young
Indians. They are really young. They have come to have a with Manipal Hospital this blood donation camp, and I am quite sure they are very enthusiastic, positive, and that is one thing which is the best donation you can do in life. You can save life of somebody else, which you don't know whom you are saving. That's the best. Means otherwise I am going to give only for this. At least there is some amount of selfishness is there. When you are giving blood and you don't know who is going to be saved in that, I think that cannot be anything better than it. I am very thankful to our director who has just arrived newly, Surindarji, for the first one to donate the blood today. And I hope that more people will come over a period of time and we should get this blood. We use almost 300 bottles per month we require, and the donations are less, so we have to send sometimes patient outside also to collect little blood. So we do more and more camps we required, because a lot of now we are doing bone marrow transplants, and also they require, we have the apheresis machine which can remove the stem cells only, and we can do transplant. Almost 10 people we must have done by now. So that is the best thing what we can help the people in this. Nobody else in Goa it's being done, and our requirement is always more. So we, as anybody who is coming, we just welcome them with open arms for donation of the blood. Thank you very much for giving us a chance to help you all.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, Manipal Hospital. I would just like to add, as doctor said, it's very important of blood donation camp. I'm representing CIIYI. We are into nation building activities, and as a young Indian, I think, as doctor said, it's very important to raise awareness about blood donation. And we are glad that we could tie up with Manipal Hospital and start this process and do this camp. But as the whole year goes, we would love to do more of awareness program and bring out the skepticism in people of why they are not coming forward and donating. As young Indians, hopefully we can do that. We are commemorating the Health Week, National Health Week, with the World Health Day that has just happened, and we are grateful that we've got this opportunity, and we'll be working closely with the hospital in the near future for more such events. Thank you so much, doctor and director.
Thank you so much. Young India is a participant of today blood donation camp. There is a myth behind that ki if you give blood, you will you will fall sick, or you will be under pressure that you will not be able to do any work for the day. I think it's absolutely a myth. I've been donating the blood for 4 times in a year, every 3 months, and from last 7 years. And it's not that I'm too young to resist this. I'm 46 right now, but still I'm able to give. I think with this, I think everybody who gives a donation today can be useful. This blood can be useful for the unknown person whom he or she might not be knowing it. So it's a good thing that it's voluntary you are giving, and then without any expectation, you are just doing a social service. So thanks to Young India Group, and we hope that you keep coming to us with such kind of initiatives, and we will be a part of this such initiative.
Absolutely.
This is the apheresis machine. This is the most important machine in the blood bank as such. Last 3 years we have been using, and it was really useful in the COVID times also. It can separate out the components. So, तुका फाल्यां neutrophils जाय घालपाक जाल्यार neutrophil घालूंक मेळटा. तुका platelets जाय platelets, plasma जाय plasma, and the rest of the blood can be gone, back to the patient. Like if he sleeps here for 2 hours, we can remove only platelets, which is very highly concentrated. So it is better rather than giving other platelets, which are stored platelets, fresh, and then transplant them, and rest of the blood can go back to him. So it is we have been using it, and because of bone marrow and other thing requirements, our chemotherapy, children requirements, all these things can be really done well because of this machine. We were the first one to buy this machine 3 years back, and it has done a fantastic job. And Dr. Dhawan is the one who manages this full show. Okay.
So basically, as sir said, apheresis means to separate. So we have mainly 4 blood components in our blood: RBC, platelets, WBC, and plasma. And WBCs, there are certain types. So whatever blood component we want, we can extract that particular blood component via this machine, and remaining part of the blood goes back to the body from the same way. Only one needle is inserted. So via this machine, we are able to produce very good quality product, which helps the patients improve better. So that's why this machine has helped us a lot in saving the lives. We have done 10 bone marrow transplants. This machine is there for the removing of the stem cells, and we use it for the stem cell transplant.
Plus that fellow can donate again and again.
So this one advantage of this platelet or apheresis donation is, you donate whole blood donation, you have to wait for 3 months. Here you donate this thing, apheresis, you can donate after 3 days. So in a year you can donate 24 times this apheresis donation, because it is a very light process. Only thing is key, it takes time because we have to extract the specific component, that's all.
You have to lie down for about 2 hours.
1 hour 10 minutes.
1 hour 10 minutes you have to think. But this one takes around 10 minutes. Less than 10
that takes 10 minutes. But after that you have to wait for 3 months.
Yeah.
When
To
you
give
donate
again.
this, to give again. Here you can donate after 3 days also.
We are very thankful to Young Indians, which is a branch of the CII, and they have a tie-up with our Manipal hospital to have this blood bank, blood donation camp today. And it's a very important donation. हांवें पयलीं तुमकां सांगलां तशें, तूं ब्लड दिता हेज्या सारकें आनी बेस्ट डोनेशन जावंक शकना, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो whom you are helping. तूं कोणाक हेल्प करता हें तुका खबर ना तेन्ना इट इज सारकें सेल्फलेस डोनेशन जाता. तुका पयशे तूं कोणाक दिता तुका खबर आसता की हाका आपले पयशे दिले म्हणून आनी ताका ताजें बरें जालें. हांगा यू डोंट नो, यू आर गिवींग टू अ अननोन पर्सन आनी ताजें लायफ वाडटा, ताजें ही इज सेव्ड. So I think this is the best donation what anybody can do, and I think now there is a sufficient awareness is caused. पण तरी आसतना आमकां ब्लडाची शॉर्टेज खूब जाता सामकी. So I request all the people to come forward and donate blood. कित्याक आमी आतां लायक आमी बोन मेरो ट्रान्सप्लांट आमी आतां लास्ट 10 बोन मेरो ट्रान्सप्लांट केलो. वी हॅव दॅट apheresis machine also which can separate out the components of the blood करून ते स्टेम सेल जाय तुका स्टेम सेल काडले आनी ते परत ट्रान्सप्लांट करूंक मेळटा. सो बोन मेरो ट्रान्सप्लांट आमी 10 अजून पर्यंत केल्या. तातूंत हें इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. लॉट ऑफ किमोथेरपी आमी जेन्ना येता तें कावंट सामकें कमी येता, ताका प्लेटलेट्सूच जाय पडटा, ताका फक्त WBC जाय पडटा, जाल्यार तें सुद्दां आमी सद्या दिवं शकता. एक मनीस त्या मशिनाचेर परते परते दिवं शकता, म्हणजे 3-3 दिसांनी दिवं शकता अफरेसिसचे. हाका 3 म्हयने रावचे पडटा असलें डोनेशन केलें जाल्यार. पूण अफरेसिस मशिनाचेर जर तुवें दिलें डोनेशन कितें केलें जाल्यार एवरी 3rd डे यू कॅन गिव वॉट एवर इज रायट. म्हणजे प्लेटलेट दिवपा जाल्यार दिवंक मेळटा. सो इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड न्यू टॅक्नॉलॉजी वीच वी आर युजींग. आणि कोविड टायमारूय आमकां प्लाझ्मा डोनेशनाक बी आमकां खूब हेल्प जालें त्या मशिनाचें. So I'm really thankful to young Indians who have come forward for this, and I request more such people, more such organizations to come forward. I'm thankful to Vaikund Bab who has come all the way here, and तांचे आमचे यंग इंडियनचे हांगा होय आसा आमचो रोहित जाटी आसा. Young blood is here. I hope that blood will save many more people. Thank you.
Thank you so much for Manipal Hospital for helping us do our blood donation camp. It's the commemoration of our health week at CII-YI. At YI we do a lot of nation building activities and youth leadership activities, and it gives us immense pleasure to and actually motivation to do something like this. I think blood donation is still a stigma where people don't come forward and donate, and hopefully as young Indians we could use this opportunity to bring in more awareness about why they should do blood donation and take it forward. At Manipal Hospital they got some great technologies, some modern technologies which are doing different parts of blood donation, and we would definitely like to use this opportunity to do some good. Thank you everybody at Manipal Hospital and CII-YI, the whole idea of healthcare week, and we'll keep on doing these things in the years to come. Thank you.